Koopa. Koopa. What's it doing? What are you doing? Come out. Come out. So this is Koopa. For those who seen my other videos, so I just want to update you how he's doing. He's gaining weight pretty good. Been eating a lot. Yes. And for those who don't know who Koopa is, he is my Enigma leopard gecko. My first leopard gecko. I got him. When did I get him? Maybe like 6-7 months ago. And he's maybe about a year and a few months. It's really cool. He lets me hold him. He walks around, falls asleep. And when he walks, he does have a little stumble. Come on, show me a little walk. Come on, show me a little walk. Yeah. But yeah, that's Koopa. Make sure to watch my other videos, and I hope you guys like them.